What happens when obsession meets art? When engineering pushes past the edge of insanity and into the realm of the divine? You're looking at it, the 2026 Pagani Huayra BC, a machine that isn't just built, but sculpted with passion. And today, we're diving deep into every inch of this road-going masterpiece. Buckle up. You're watching CR New Model, and this is the 2026 Pagani Huayra BC, Unleashed. If Leonardo da Vinci designed a race car, it would look like this. The 2026 Huayra BC carries Pagani's signature mix of chaos and beauty. Every angle is deliberate. Every line is functional. The aggressive carbon fiber front splitter and rear diffuser aren't just for show, they're carved to glue this beast to the pavement at 200+ miles per hour. Gone is the old-school elegance of the original Huayra. The BC is meaner, lower, sharper. With new active aerodynamics and an evolved rear wing setup, Pagani has managed to increase downforce by over 20% compared to the previous BC. Oh, and don't even get us started on the wheels, forged alloys wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo RS, custom-made for this monster. Step inside, and you're not in a car, you're in a rolling museum of madness. The interior of the 2026 Huayra BC is a celebration of craftsmanship. Exposed carbon fiber tub, titanium accents, and the signature billet aluminum switchgear, it's like something out of a steampunk opera. But don't let the artistic flair fool you. This cockpit means business. The digital cluster has been redesigned for clarity at high speeds, and the seating position is lower than ever, hugging you like a fighter jet cockpit. And yes, every stitch of leather is still done by hand in Medina. Now for the part that makes this car downright terrifying. Lurking behind the driver is a twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter V12, custom-built by AMG exclusively for Pagani. In the 2026 BC, it's been dialed up to a spine-rattling 850 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60. 2.6 seconds. Top speed? Somewhere north of 230 miles per hour. But stats don't capture what this engine feels like. It doesn't roar, it screams, bellows, howls like a mechanical banshee. And the titanium exhaust? It weighs less than your average cat, and sounds like thunder from the gods. The 2026 Pagani Huayra BC isn't just a hypercar. It's an experience. A piece of art that can tear up a track while looking like it belongs in the Louvre. With just a few dozen units expected to be made, and each one tailored to the owner's exact specs, the Huayra BC is as exclusive as it is extreme. What do you think? Is this the ultimate expression of Italian engineering? Or is it pure overkill in a world heading electric? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next masterpiece on wheels. Until next time, this is CR New Model, signing off with the roar of V12 dreams.